Hi, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Today we have Mahsa on the call with us, and it's a great privilege to have her want to share experiences and thoughts with the FIP ECPG. So thank you so much for agreeing to be a part of this interview, and I look forward to having a very exciting conversation with you. Um, so just to start this off, could you like briefly introduce yourself, your educational background, and what your current role is as a pharmacist?
Hello. Thank you for inviting me. I'm so happy to be here, and uh, mm, I hope we could have a great conversation. Yeah, I'm Mahsa. I'm Mahsa Zaghian. I'm a pharmacist from Iran, and I got my PharmD degree from Isfahan University of Medical Sciences. And currently, I work as a pharmaceutical information supervisor and formulation specialist at Gol Darou Pharmaceutical Company, which is a herbal medicine and dietary supplement company. I also always work as a part-time community pharmacist, which helps me stay connected to patients and know their needs.
Interesting. How you're able to combine both very different pharmacy roles, but very important all the same. So what inspired you to pursue like a pharmacy degree? What made you want to become a pharmacist?
Mm. Uh, Actually, since I was a teenager, I've always loved the mixture of science and art, especially biology and chemistry in math and physics. I wanted a career where I could help people directly, but not as direct as a doctor, physician, I mean. And I found a pharmacy was a perfect combination of art and science, using science to improve health and connecting with people in a meaningful way, but not as direct as a physician.
Mhm.
So I decided to pursue a doctor of pharmacy degree.
Wow. Very inspiring. And I think that would resonate with a lot of other early career pharmacists wanting to help the
Hmm.
patient, being a reason why they
Yeah,
went into the profession. Yeah. So,
exactly.
in your current role, you said you work as a pharmaceutical information supervisor and formulation specialist. What exactly do you do in that role, or what are your job
Uh, uh,
descriptions?
exactly. Actually, my work covers many different areas. In the scientific part, as the supervisor of the pharmaceutical information part, we prepare and provide general and specialized medical drug cards and brochures, give training medical representative, and participate in congresses and seminars to present our products, organize scientific sessions for doctors to answer their questions about herbal medicine. Also, we work closely with the marketing and regulatory teams. We are involved in the entire product life cycle. For example, from initial research and product proposals to products release on the market. And in the formulation department, I work on developing new product formulations, troubleshooting the production issues, and improving existing products, and you know troubleshoot the out of specification parts in the existing products.
Yeah, very interesting. So, based on your experience, what level of experience or what skills should an early career pharmacist have to be able to serve in this function, in this role that you're serving in?
A combination of skills, both scientific and knowledge skills, combining with the soft skills need to work in the pharmaceutical industry. Uh, for example, teamwork, project management, communication, problem solving, emotional intelligence is the essential parts and skills you should have to can be part of a pharmaceutical industry, especially R&D team. Additionally, the scientific background you have from the university can help you to innovate something and make something more scientifically than marketingly
Yeah.
for the yeah, that's it.
So what I hear you say is already as a pharmacist, your pharmacy background prepares you to serve in roles like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you,
Also, when you work in the pharmacy as a community pharmacist, you find the patient needs and
mm,
what the patient need exactly, and then you can propose this in the farm industry and go through solving the problem of patients.
yeah, really interesting because I see how you're able to you work in two different roles, the industry and the community pharmacy, and how you're able to use the skill set from both roles to complement what you do. Yeah, that is
Yes.
really interesting. Yeah, so
Mhm.
maybe just a question about your career trajectory. Is there any lesson that you've learned now that you wish you learned earlier in your career? As a pharmacist, anything you think you would have done differently in your career projection? Or if you're good with the way everything has gone, that is fine. What tips will you want to share for early career pharmacists that are looking to just start their career?
Mhm. Uh, there are some challenges in an industry and in the work phase. I mean, when you go through the work, it's different from the studentship. Uh, for example, you should know how to manage the relationship between the team members, and also how to act in front of your manager, and how to uh, improve the satisfaction of the team members to improve the quality of work.
Mm,
Um, soft skills are just as important as technical skills. You can know a lot, but without good communication and teamwork, it's hard to achieve real success in industry. I wish, actually, I was a member of IPS and IPSF, and I tried to improve my soft skills when I was a student. But even but even now, I wish I could have uh, uh, more experiences in some leadership projects and uh, improve my emotional intelligence skills, such as listening actively and how to speak in front of your manager. And these skills are so important. And
mm.
however, I had some experiences, but I wish I could have more of them during my
Yeah.
students phase. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's really interesting that you say this because, and then you mentioned FIP, because I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
yeah, FIP is a perfect opportunity for student pharmacists, early career pharmacists to build up on those skills. I think from previous interviews we've had people come here and say, get involved, be a part of an association, get involved
yeah.
in FIP, yeah, and build your skills. So thank you so much for re-echoing that point. Yeah, so talking about your career trajectory, how has mentorship did mentorship play any role in your professional journey? And if it did, how did mentorship help you so far?
Yeah, during my student organization work in IPSF, I had mentors who encouraged me to take leadership roles and step out of my comfort zone. Their guidance helped me believe in my abilities and take on bigger challenges. And I'm really happy that I had those mentors, and I'm so respectful. I thank them for to give me this opportunity. Also, I share my experience with students and young pharmacists now, because I want to give advice on career options in industry to them and connect them to opportunities when I can. Uh, I I connect with them and ask them to come to our company for example, internship. And
Mm.
I always try to give take this connection between university and industry with different opportunities.
Yeah, I think what you're doing is the best way to approach mentorship. So as a pharmacist, you were mentored, you got mentored by other pharmacists, and now that you are in the industry, you're trying to give back by
Yeah,
mentoring even the
exactly.
upcoming pharmacists. Yeah, so I think this is something that every pharmacist somehow should emulate to take the profession forward. We need to know how to receive mentorship and also when we need to give back mentorship. So yeah, that's a big message and big takeaway from here. Probably if you don't mind me asking, what are your short or long-term career goals from here? So I'm curious to know do you have, you know, career aspirations in the short term or your long-term career goals? Do you intend to move from the industry, from a community pharmacy, or, just let us in on what your goals and aspirations are?
I actually I can't explain the fixed final destination. I always like to have both community pharmacy version of myself and working in industry. But which what I know is that I want to be productive, and I want to be a member of producing a medicine, not just giving this to the patient. I think
Mm,
I want to keep growing in pharmaceutical industry, take on new challenges, and make a real difference in people's health, not only in my country but also in other countries. Also, I want to keep learning from international experiences, stay connected with colleagues around the world, joining FIP, and because the connections always inspire me, give me new ideas, and in the long run, I think I hope to be someone who inspires and supports the next generation of pharmacists.
yeah. Okay. So I think you've answered the question in saying your career goals are to remain productive and impactful, both locally, regionally, and internationally. So that is really interesting. So let's go back to pharmacy and what pharmacy is all about. I'm curious to know, what do you think is the role of a pharmacist in ensuring or trying to help with universal health coverage? How can pharmacists help to ensure that patients get essential medications, for example?
Mhm. I think uh, my work as a pharmaceutical industry pharmacist helps universal health coverage in this process, producing affordable and high quality medicines locally, help to reduce dependency on imports, and also make treatments more accessible for patients. This helps support universal health coverage, especially for vulnerable groups. I think I can help in this part with this information.
Yeah, so I think this is a very crucial role you're playing because I think for other pharmacists, especially maybe just in the community setting, um, is just trying to ensure that patients get the medications, there is access, even in rural or urban cities. But then for you, you're involved in the production of these medicines themselves. So
Yeah.
that is huge. Do you think do you see a change in how the pharmaceutical industry would evolve in the next decade and how that could even impact universal health coverage? Or, what do you think could happen in the pharmaceutical industry? It could be in Iran, it could be in, anywhere in the world.
Mm, I think we should see more focus on biotechnology and advanced formulation, also export of local products. Also, I hope to contribute by leading innovative projects and
Mm,
helping the industry meet global standards. We have some issues to uh, getting good quality APIs from other countries because of some limitations. And I hope we could produce all of the ingredients and APIs here locally. I hope we can go there in the near future.
In the near future, yeah. So I think you did say biotechnology being a big thing, then you want to be in the center of innovation.
Yeah.
So I think that's really something pharmacists should keep in mind. Um, aside from looking towards very conventional pharmacy roles, you should aspire to be in biotech companies, be at the center of innovations, because I think we're skilled, right? You did mention that the background that we have as pharmacists helps us able to serve in the science, right? So we are
Yes,
skilled
exactly.
enough to work in places like a biotech company, be at the center of innovation and whatnot. So I think this is a reminder from you to us, the early career pharmacists, that we should try to stretch our skills, and look or follow the evolution of the pharmaceutical industry. So I think we've asked very serious questions. I'm just going to ask on a lighter note, what activities or hobbies do you have that helps to keep you motivated or help you to keep a balanced life?
I love music actually, and I
Oh,
play piano and also sing. It helps me relax and express myself creatively, and also it's somehow energize me. Enjoy also beyond music and art. I also enjoy sports, which
oh,
keeps me energized and focused. I try to have 2 to 3 sessions of sport in the week. Also, going out with my friends and my family. This could help me to balance my work life uh, work work life balance.
yeah, very interesting to see. See, for anyone listening, pharmacists do have a balanced life. Yeah, you play the
Yeah.
piano, you sing, you're into sports. And I think all of this is important to remind us to always take care of ourselves as much as we're taking care of others. You're taking care of patients, take care of yourself as well. Yeah, so great hobbies you have. Hopefully someday in the future I would know how to sing or play the piano. So is
Mhm.
there any personal quote or belief or something that really inspires you that you would like to share?
Yeah, I have some quotes which say, "Do what you can with what you have, where you are." And also, if you can't plan, then you will fail. These 2 quotes are helping me to uh, do my everyday work. It reminds me that even small actions can create big impact. And also, planning is important for our life, especially pharmacist life, which is very busy and should have plan for every steps to get the goal they want to receive that.
Yeah. So I really like the quote on do what you can with what you have where you are. Because I think that can
Yeah.
even help our pharmacists approach universal health coverage. Wherever you are, do what you can to help patients get essential medications, to get universal health coverage with what you have and wherever you are. So yeah, I'm going to steal that quote just to let you know. But this is very interesting. So thank you so much for sharing your journey. It's wonderful to hear about your experience and your contributions to the pharmacy industry, to helping patients, to being impactful. Is wanting to be a pharmacist, and is another thing to be an impactful pharmacist working in the industry and the community pharmacy. It's something that I really admire. So as we try to wrap up this section, is there anything else you'd like to add for the readers or for the viewers of this interview?
Another time, I want to thank you for inviting me. It was an amazing experience. I just want to say that pharmacy is a profession full of opportunities, and I'm grateful to be part of it. And also want to say to the early career group, pharmacist group, to enjoy their way to get the goal and uh, accept every single opportunity in their way of the profession. That's it. Thank you for giving me the chance to share my story.
Thank you, and we hope to have you again someday soon.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.